Join me in my travel. Let's start counting. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Finally, we are arrived at Plaza Subo, where Magellan Cross are located. Ferdinand Magellan planted the cross upon arrival in Cebu on April 21, 1521, kasabay ng First Easter Mass in the Philippines. The Magellan Cross also signifies introduction of Christianity in the Philippines and is considered a birthplace of the faith in the country. So ayun na nga, hindi kami pinapasok sa simbahan dahil bawal ang naka-shorts na sleeveless. Kaya lumipat kami sa Plaza Independencia, kung saan matatagpuan ang Fort San Pedro. It is the Philippines' oldest triangular bastion fort in Cebu City, built by Spanish Conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi in 1565 as a military defense and the nucleus of the first Spanish settlement. But now, it is a historical park with a museum showcasing artifacts, well-preserved walls, gardens near the port, and offering a glimpse into Spanish colonial history. Marami rin tayong makitang mga estatwa, gaya na lamang nito. Ruta ng Ekspedisyong Magallanes Elcano sa Pilipinas.
Let's go in Cebu to witness more historical places, to learn and have knowledge on our past. So what are you waiting for? Save and plan to go here.
Tawid tayo, oy. Dito tayo.
Ba aming namahal.